Hello, welcome to HelloFresh. I'm Mimi, Senior Recipe Development Manager. Today I'm going to show you around the HelloFresh Development Kitchen, give you a quick tour of the app and show you some of our recipes. How are you getting on?
Almost ready. Another 5 minutes and I think we can probably taste.
While they finish up, I'll tell you more about our recipe box. HelloFresh is all about delicious food made with fresh ingredients. Our step-by-step recipe cards are really easy to follow, so you can create amazing tasting meals. Have you downloaded our app yet? Let me show you how it works. First, tap My Menu and pick your recipes. There are loads to choose from every week, and you can set an automatic default recipe preference. For example, if you want veggie recipes or quick and easy options, you can make that your preference. But don't worry, you can still choose any other delicious recipes outside of that. You can plan your recipes up to 4 weeks in advance, and if you want to make changes, it's easy to swap recipes up to 5 days before your next delivery. The deadline is shown here. And for those weeks when you're away or have other plans, it's really easy to pause your box. Just click here. Also, we have a whole range of delicious products in the expanded menu, like breakfast, brunches, sides, desserts, and loads more. You'll be able to see the expanded range after you've confirmed your recipe selection. Reducing food waste is really important to us, so your ingredients arrive in just the right amounts. All you need are a few pantry staples. So, this is where we develop and improve our recipes. We love to hear your feedback, so don't forget to rate the recipes on the app. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok for all the latest from HelloFresh. Happy cooking!